Alright, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to share with you what I've learned about metal shaping. And first of all, let me make it clear, I'm not claiming to be a professional, but I am telling you what I've learned. You can take it from there. The most important thing I've learned, and I'm still learning a bit, is patience. Even though it's 18 gauge metal, you know, you think, that's pretty strong, it's gonna take some pounding or whatever, you know. It's really easy to lose your shape. You don't want to go pounding unless you're trying to make a major shape on a flat piece of sheet metal and want to put it on the English wheel or plenishing hammer and work it out that. Then you can go ahead and hit it hard. But most of the time, a little peck will change. It'll move the metal around, I noticed. So I can't even. I lost track of how many times I thought I was going to line it up, and almost there. All I got to do is tap this down a little bit, and I go to tap it down, and I come back, and it's jacked up elsewhere. The best thing I can tell you, and what is fact, you just got to pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to the metal when you're either hammering it or using it on the bending machine or any kind of bending tool. You got to pay attention. Or even when you're pressing down on it like this, let's just say you want this edge to come out a little bit, and you just hold it up right there and press down with your right hand. You know what I do in that case? I don't know if you want to take it to heart or do whatever you want to do, but I try to imagine the metal moving the same time I'm feeling it move in my hands. Now, like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just telling you what I've learned. And it saved you guys some time, and you can learn from it too, I believe. Regardless, I just wanted to get that pointed out to you. And burrs, don't forget to get rid of your burrs because they'll throw you off too. So, you know, whenever you do some grinding or cutting, don't forget to get rid of your burrs, because you go to try to put it in place wherever you want to go, and you got that burr there, it's going to tell you, oh, it's setting up too high. So you go over there and you hammer or you bend or whatever, and then you come back and you still got problems. Then you discover, oh crap, I forgot about the burrs. The burrs is what got you there in the first place. Now you're backtracking. So anyway, I wanted to throw those 2 cents in worth, you know. For what it's worth, there you guys go. Hope it helps. Now let's get back to building.